O riri thĩ yothe irakũngũĩra muthi wa kuhurana na murimu wa pneumonia, turaunanira njung'wa na ndagĩtarĩ Mihaso Adoro uria uratutwara ikinya gwa ikinya uria murimu uyu utonyaga mwiri-ini na gwithegea murwaru atekumenya, amu ti hindi ciothe murimu uyu wonanagia dalili.
Most of the time, whether it is viral, fungal, is not easy to distinguish from symptoms which type of agent may be responsible for pneumonia. But basically for developing countries and Kenya, the main causative agent.
Ona gukiri uguo kaunti-ini ya Kiambu mambura maya matongoririo ni Ngabana ndagĩtarĩ James Nyoro na kuhumbwo riri ni CAS wa ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini Mercy Mwangangi uria ugite makiria ma ciana 9,000 nicio ikuaga oro mwaka kumana na murimu uyu.
We need to pay attention to, and also to remember pneumonia also affects adults. And one of the main ways really of controlling pneumonia is ensuring that the child has the antibiotics.
Na kuringana na ndagĩtarĩ Adoro, ciana nini iria irĩ thĩ wa miaka 5 nicio ikoragwo ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni murimu uyu, na haha agatutariria uria mundu abatie ni guikara niguo gutigirira niethema kunyitwo. Ngabana Nyoro akiuga ni magathikite mitaratara yothe thibitari-ini cia Kiambu niguo gutigirira kuri na riera ria kuigana.
After measures that we are taking, one of it is the diagnosis, making sure that the children are diagnosed are enough.
A child who would likely develop pneumonia will first maybe have a cough, will have a cold, may have a fever. Then the child will progress to have difficulty in breathing, as well as fast breathing. The child may not be able to feed well, and the child may be also restless and irritable, and even the child may lose, consciousness. And basically, the first symptom that indicates a child has pneumonia or is likely to have pneumonia is actually fast breathing.
Ona gutuika murimu uyu ni urigitagwo na murwaru akahona, ndagĩtarĩ aratutariria bururi wa Kenya urio haraya kung'ethanira naguo ta mabururi maria mangi mathiete na mbere, guku agitariria honge itiganite cia ugima wa mwiri thĩ yothe nigeretie kung'ethanira naguo niguo gutigirira arwaru matinatorio.
We have also vaccines against measles, because often children who develop measles end up developing a severe form of pneumonia.
It is actually the top killer of our under 5-year-old children.
Ona kuhana uguo murimu uyu ni utungitwo ni muhinga munene wa COVID-19 uria ugumiire thĩ yothe, kuona dalili cia mirimu ino yeri ni ikuhaniriirie. Mwangangi akiuria thirikari gwikirira murimu uyu ta wa COVID-19, ndeto iria inyititwo mbaru ni Ngabana wa Kiambu.
But pneumonia also affects adults, and one of the main ways really of controlling pneumonia is ensuring that the child has the antibiotics they require.
Also improving on nutrition. As you know, we have a food security project that we've been rolling to ensure that not only mothers but also the children under 5 are also getting better nutrition.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.